Waterhouse, designed by Frenna Arquitectos, stands as a modern marvel that gracefully harmonizes with the tropical climate of Colima, Mexico. The architectural design takes full advantage of the region's humidity and warmth, creating living spaces that feel at one with the environment while ensuring the privacy of its inhabitants. The architect's vision was clear: embrace nature by seamlessly blending the indoors and outdoors, allowing the house to breathe with its surroundings. The result is a design where privacy meets openness, where the elements of water and greenery envelop the home in a unique and serene atmosphere. At the heart of the design lies the house's namesake, water. The swimming pool, an integral part of the home, serves as the focal point around which everything else orbits. Its presence is felt from almost every angle of the property, reflecting sunlight and providing a constant connection to nature. The pool not only offers a refreshing oasis, but also enhances the visual experience of the house, giving it a sense of calm and continuity with the environment. It's more than just a pool. It's a landmark that anchors the entire architectural program. The layout of Waterhouse is carefully crafted to create distinct zones that offer both communal and private experiences. The ground floor serves as the hub of social activity, featuring spaces such as the hall, living room, dining area, and kitchen, all designed to flow effortlessly from one to another. Large, open terraces extend these areas outward, embracing the lush landscape and providing unobstructed views of the pool and garden. This openness creates a sense of unity between the indoor and outdoor spaces, where natural light and tropical breezes become part of the home's ambience. Privacy is a key element in the design, particularly when it comes to the main bedroom, which is situated to take full advantage of the pool views. Separated from the rest of the house's program, the bedroom enjoys a privileged position, offering its occupants a peaceful retreat that opens up to the water and surrounding greenery. This thoughtful arrangement ensures that while the house fosters social interaction, it also provides intimate spaces for solitude and relaxation. Ascending to the upper level, the design becomes even more intriguing. A suspended bridge connects the primary living areas to the secondary bedrooms, offering sweeping views of the garden and pool below. This elevated walkway enhances the sense of integration with nature, as it feels like a journey through the treetops. The secondary bedrooms, though positioned for privacy, still maintain a strong connection to the natural surroundings, ensuring that the home's relationship with its environment is felt in every corner. Throughout Waterhouse, there is a delicate balance between elegance and warmth. The materials chosen for the construction, from the wood that lines the terraces to the stone and concrete that form the structure, reflect a careful consideration of the climate and surroundings. These natural elements, combined with modern finishes, give the home a sense of luxury without sacrificing comfort. The result is a space that feels both timeless and contemporary, a perfect blend of sophistication and tropical charm. The architectural design of Waterhouse doesn't just celebrate the natural world. It actively creates its own environment. The inner courtyard, lined with trees and other tropical vegetation, serves as a sanctuary within the home, offering a peaceful retreat from the world outside. This space, along with the pool and garden, forms the core of the home's ecosystem, where water, plants, and architecture exist in perfect harmony. In every aspect of its design, Waterhouse embodies the concept of living with nature. The house invites the outside in, creating a serene, luxurious retreat that feels entirely at peace with its surroundings. From the shimmering pool to the verdant courtyard, from the open terraces to the secluded bedrooms, every part of the home reflects a commitment to blending architecture with the elements. It's a dream house that offers not just high-end amenities, but an immersive, harmonious lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible architectural masterpieces from around the world. Let us know in the comments what inspired you the most about Waterhouse, and stay tuned for our next exploration into extraordinary designs. See you in the next video.